Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to activate BDO credit card. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Activating a BDO credit card is very easy. To activate BDO credit card, all you have to do is open up the BDO official website. Once you get into its site, navigate to Cards option from the top bar, then go to Credit Cards, and from the Credit Cards section, click on Card Activation. Now it will ask you to verify your account. To verify your account, you have to enter card number, date of birth, its expiration date. After that, click to submit. Once you submitted your verification request, then the process to activate your card will be completed. Please note that the specific steps may vary depending on the type of BDO credit card you have and the current procedures in place. It's essential to follow the instructions provided by BDO and have all the necessary information and documentation ready for activation. If you have any doubts or need further assistance, don't hesitate to contact BDO's customer service or visit a local branch for help with the activation process. So, that's basically how you can activate BDO credit card. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.